So in this video we'll be replacing a part of the door latch cover, the rear door latch cover, which is sheared off. So to show you what's actually happened, this is the door latch cover for the Falcon Wing door, and as you can see it's completely sheared off. And so this happened a couple of days ago, well, about 3 days ago. Got in touch with Tesla through their app. They didn't really respond quickly enough, so I just drove out to the service centre and took the part with me, and they said that they'll have one within 2 days, and true to the word, they got one within 2 days, and all it cost was £19, which is very cheap. Now we could have done this through mobile service, get them to come out to your house and fit the part, but if you're charging £175 an hour, which is about the going rate for a premium car manufacturer, that would have cost I would say the best part of £200 for them to come out and replace the part. I'm just guessing here. It may cost less than that, but I'm just taking a wild guess at say £200 to replace the part that costs £20, which I think most people are capable of replacing. But to replace this, you need the tools to replace it, because it is a 6-star head that you need to remove. So I'll just show you what that is. So this is a 6-star head toolkit with various sizes, obviously. I went down to my local DIY store. In my case it was Homebase, and as far, in my opinion, they're probably the most expensive DIY or the most expensive hardware store in the UK, but that's just my opinion. There are cheaper ones, but it's the closest one to me. So it cost me £15 for the set of tools, and £19 for the part, so altogether £34, plus my time to go down and get it, which took me the best part of an hour. But as I said, let's get on with the repair now. So this is what we're trying to remove. That's the door, that's the latch, and the cover obviously fitted around that. Oops, sorry, you can't see that there. That's the latch, and the cover fitted obviously around here, and as you can see it's completely sheared off. So we have to remove these two bolts, one here and one here, and in the pack you actually get 2 spare ones for some reason. So let's get on with repairing it, or removing it rather. So this is a T25 torque head, I think, and requires a little bit of effort, but not a huge amount. There we go. Yeah, there we go. This one seems to be a bit tighter. Oh. Drop that there. Well, that seems to be completely loose. Right. Right, so that should fit on there, like so. So we'll just finger tight it first. And there's only one way this can fit on. You can tell by the mark of the outgoing cover that it only fits on one way. So let's see if this fits properly. Don't have really much to say right now other than we're just trying to put it over the imprint of the old cover, because the old cover has left an imprint on the paint, so that's what we're following. So it's clockwise to tighten it. And hopefully what we'll do, we'll tighten it evenly. Oh, crikey, what happened there? Is that over tightened? Oh, I think we might have over tightened it. No, don't think so. That seems to be tight enough. Right, there we go. So let's see if this works. So it seems to have latched, so that seems to be okay. So next thing is to do a test drive, but obviously we're not going to do that now. So there you go, so that's the end of the video. If you have any questions, please comment below. If not, please like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next one.